Welcome aboard the Sessa Oyster 35 listed for sale with Boatshed Isle of Wight. Going to give you a little walk around deck level now. So just off the bathing platform, forward into the cockpit area. As you can see, all the covers are on now. Just looking forward, walking forward to the helm. Lots of light, great visibility from the helm seating. Again, even with covers on. Another seating area, sunbathing area. And as you can see, you've got access to the foredeck through the opening windscreen. A bar sink, storage underneath, and then we'll just show you how easy it is to get on the foredeck as well, this way as well as through the windscreen. So easy step out through the covers, handhold where you need it, wide enough to walk up to the foredeck. That's where your sunbathing cushions are. You saw them in the aft cabin. Nice recessed anchor area and windlass. And then just back the same way. About where we started from. If you'd like more information, please go to www.boatshedisleofwight.com.